Well, it's a question many of us are asking. AI is revolutionizing HR, automating tasks, streamlining employee onboarding, and providing data-driven insights. Sounds nice and perhaps a bit intimidating, right? But here's the good news. AI isn't here to take our jobs. Instead, it's here to enhance our roles, allowing us to focus on what we excel at. While AI can handle data and automate tasks, it lacks the most crucial element, the human touch. Skills like emotional intelligence, creativity, and strategic thinking remain irreplaceable and are at the heart of the HR world. Upskilling is key. Programs like the CIPD are designed to equip us with the essential skills and tools necessary to stay ahead of HR's future. It ensures our roles remain indispensable. Embrace technology, that's a no-brainer. By understanding and integrating these AI technologies, we can improve efficiency in our roles. Continue to focus on areas that set humans apart, such as empathy, communication, and leadership. These areas are where HR professionals can truly excel, adding value that AI certainly cannot replicate. Well, I cannot emphasize enough on the invaluable insights networking can give. Engage with HR communities, attend industry events, and keep up to date with the latest trends and technologies. So let's not be concerned and embrace the changes. Use them to our advantage. By doing so, we'll not only remain relevant, but also thrive in the HR world.